Hello everyone, welcome back to the TienTran Medic channel, where we share useful information to help you take better care of your ears. Many people think that the ears only have problems when they are sick, but in reality, small daily habits that we repeat over time can quietly damage our hearing. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 common habits that may be harmful to your ears. Habit 1. Using cotton swabs to clean your ears. Many people believe that cotton swabs make the ears cleaner, but in reality, they don't remove earwax. Instead, they push it deeper into the ear canal and can cause blockage. This can lead to scratches in the ear canal that may cause otitis externa, ear canal infection, eardrum perforation if the swab is pushed in too deep, formation of an earwax plug, which can reduce hearing and cause tinnitus. A safer approach. If there is too much earwax, you should visit a medical facility to have it removed using specialized instruments with endoscopic camera guidance for better visualization. Habit 2. Listening to headphones at high volume. Headphones are convenient and loved by many people, but if you listen at more than 70% of the maximum volume for a long period of time, the hair cells in the cochlea can be permanently damaged. Possible consequences include tinnitus, gradual hearing loss, increased risk of early deafness. Ear protection tip. Follow the 60-60 rule, listen for a maximum of 60 minutes, at under 60% of the volume level. Habit 3. Removing earwax yourself using metal tools at home or at barbershops, spa services. Those metal-tipped earwax removal tools sold online may look professional, but they can scratch the skin of the ear canal, cause ear injury, and lead to infection. Tools used in barbershops or spa ear cleaning services may also cause fungal ear canal infections if they are not properly sterilized according to medical standards. This is especially dangerous for children. If they use these tools on their own, they may accidentally perforate the eardrum. Today, thanks to technological advances, you can use certain smart earwax removal devices with built-in cameras to check whether you have excessive earwax. The camera provides fairly clear images, allowing you to observe the ear canal and even send the images to a doctor for consultation. Habit 4. Leaving water trapped in the ear after showering or swimming. When water becomes trapped inside the ear, it creates a moist environment that favors the growth of bacteria, and especially fungi, increasing the risk of otitis externa, itching, and pain. A simple tip after swimming or showering: tilt your head to let the water drain out, and gently dry the outer ear with a clean towel. Habit 5. Ignoring abnormal symptoms and self-using unknown ear drops. Many people tend to ignore symptoms such as a feeling of fullness or blockage in the ear, tinnitus, ringing in the ear, hearing loss, but these may be signs of earwax impaction, middle ear infection, pressure, barometric disorders, early hearing loss, or symptoms of other underlying medical conditions. Another dangerous habit is self-medicating with ear drops when symptoms appear, without being examined by a doctor. Not all medications are suitable for every ear condition, and if the eardrum is perforated, some ear drops may be ototoxic, potentially causing permanent hearing damage. Health recommendation: if symptoms persist for more than 2 to 3 days, see an ENT specialist instead of self-treating. To protect your hearing, limit the use of cotton swabs and metal instruments, keep headphone volume at a safe level, dry your ears after swimming or bathing, do not ignore persistent symptoms, avoid self-medicating with ear drops. Healthy ears help us experience the world more fully.